Hey everyone, my name is Carl Ko, Team Trash from the Philippines, and this is our app concept, Dump.Waste, or you can dump that waste. Let's get straight into it. Onboarding, help save Earth, photograph trash-filled illegal dumping areas, straightforward. But of course, a little disclaimer that you can always bring the trash with you in your pocket and throw it to the nearest trash can if the size is manageable, or a handful. Just like My Days, you're familiar with Instagram's My Days or Messenger's My Stories? Yeah, we adapted a similar and familiar approach so that you guys can be reporting trashes in no time. Who even cares? Well, this one is for the data believers. In fact, it's not just for the data believers. Data is power. Knowing the whereabouts of trash, that's one powerful insight for the government, so that they can also create data-driven green decisions for a green future. Take action. Of course, what's dumping? What's reporting without action? We want to cultivate a culture who can find community cleanups to be recreational, be it with family and friends, so that the next generation can also learn how to take care of the planet and live a healthy and green life. Sign up. But why do I have to sign up? Well, it's for authenticity and accountability. Because some people out there just want to make fun of other people. Now, proceed to sign up. Welcome. And then we are presented with the home screen. You can either switch to reporting illegal dumps over here, or create a cleanup. Exciting. So hey Carl, help Earth by marking illegal dumps. If you're wondering, this is a map, and if you want to zoom in, yep, you can look at the places where there are marked and reported trash, but more onto that later. I went inside Dump.Waste because I want to report a waste. So how do I do that? Of course, I'll hit report illegal dump. And now that I'm here, let's assume that I have already taken a picture of the site. Note that this is a fresh photo. You can't choose pictures from your gallery, and you need mobile data and location services. But why location? Well, this is for automatically marking, autofilling, makes lives easier. And trash type. What do I see? Plastic, household materials. But what exactly are these trash types? Well, looky. This is the guide. Now, this is household, automotive, construction, metal, electronic, organic. And the size, pretty self-explanatory. I think it's good for one trash bag. It's accessible with a car. That is true. Additional notes. I remember radio. Yeah, battery leakages. No, you can also submit anonymously. And let's review while posting. Let's make sure our data is accurate and real. Submit. Yay, we got confettis. And why not share and let other people know that we exist, that you can actually contribute for the better good of the future by simply submitting trashes you come across with. We've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the big three. Now let's go to the reported dump. And okay, let's say that I'm somebody who has seen a dump and is actually curious and wanting to start a cleanup. So of course, if you're within the location, you can always mark this. If it's still here, it's still here. So what's the details for this? It's a one trash bag size. It's accessible with a car. These are the trash types. Cool. Location, near me. It's concerning. There are leakages. Should I email them? Nah. Okay. Let's initiate a cleanup. Ooh, straightforward. Cleanup event. What should I name it? Plastic removal near SM Mall. Event description, date and time, equipment needed, gloves, smiles. And what do I already have? What can I give to the people? Trash bags, water. And who's the contact person for coordination? That's Carl Ko, that's me, and that's my number. Alright. Exit file data, but that's our meeting point. But which dumps are we going to clean? Well, let's do this, and this. Poor stork. Looks good. Create a cleanup event. Review. Data looks good. Details look good. Create cleanup event. Another set of confettis. Another opportunity for sharing. Now let's look at our reported dump as somebody who is interested to help out. Plastic removal near SM Mall. Doable. Time, April. Doable. Contact person. Trustworthy. Trash bag. Accessible with a car. Gloves. Okay. Meeting points near. Chosen illegal dumps. That's a handful, but possible. Trash type. Manageable. Let's attend and add to calendar, shall we? Oh, it's the wonders of technology. Now you're ready to present yourself and help out in trash picking. Another extra feature is that you can also look at our statistics and help spread the word. Also, our search filter has highly sophisticated, filters so that you can easily look at the types of trash and the size to your liking. Apply filters and search. Voila. This has been Carl Ka. Have a good night and always remember to dump that waste.